How to produce interesting content. 1. Find out who your audience is. What do they want to know? What keeps them awake at night? You have to start with understanding the demand for your content so that you can supply the right solution for your audience's problems. Otherwise, your content will fall on deaf ears. 2. What is your style, your voice? Funny? Serious? Angry? For example, if you are writing for pregnant mothers, the words you use will probably be different than a piece that you write for airline mechanics. 3. Do your research. Be informed. Find interesting facts and figures, graphs and charts, images, videos, to support your argument, thesis, or the main point you are trying to make. 4. Write your headline as the last thing, not the first. Finish your piece and then select a title from at least a dozen alternatives. Why? Because during the process of writing, your article will change in subtle ways. When you write your title after the whole piece is finished, it will be more representative of the content you've created. 5. Tell a story with a beginning, middle, and an end. People love stories. If you open your piece with statistics, you'll lose your readers since they cannot create a human bond with numbers. But with a story, you'll be able to grab their attention right away since they would want to know what happens next. If possible, start your first sentence in mid-action. That would make even a stronger opener. 6. When you write, keep writing. Don't stop. Once you start to write, go with the pedal to the metal. Don't worry about spelling or grammar mistakes. You can correct them all later on. But if you stop frequently for spell checking, for example, you can lose your train of thought. Sometimes that means losing the progression of an argument altogether. Don't do it. Once you feel the urge to go down a lane, follow that path till you hit a wall. Then you can trace your steps back and take care of your spelling, grammar, etc. 7. Have an outline before you begin to write. When you have such a roadmap, when you know where you are going, content creation becomes easier. If you go by the seat of your pants, you can write 1,000 words and stop since you don't know what comes next. That's demoralizing. You can avoid by having at least a simple outline before you start. 8. Write about evergreen topics. For example, if you are writing for the Summer Olympics, the chances are no one will be interested to read it after 6 months. But if your content is about 7 secrets of happiness, rest assured people would want to read that piece even after 100 years from today. Try also write in chunks that can be shared among different articles. That's what we mean by modular writing. For example, if you are writing recipes, you can use the same section about how to select a perfect pan in multiple recipes. That would save you from repetitious writing and thus increase your productivity. Glue your bottom to the chair and go. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.